Turn on the digital display control box power switch. Set the temperature to 350 degrees Celsius. Turn on the hot air gun switch. Adjust the temperature to position 5. Warm up for 5 to 10 minutes. Pour in plastic granules. Observe the melting status of granules. Start welding. All the remaining plastic must be emptied after use. Set a hot air temperature to 0. Turn up the hot air gun switch. Set a control temperature to 0. Turn up the digital display control box power switch. Turn up the power.